வாழ்க வையகம் வாழ்க வையகம் வாழ்க வளமுடன். குருவே துணை. Now we can discuss about Karma Yoga. Karma means action. Karma and its effects. This is cause and effect theory. Action includes three different functions: deed, speech and thought. Sir Isaac Newton discovered gravitational force and formulated a universal law of gravitation. This is an eternal law. Newton not created gravitational force. It was there from the beginning of the world. It was in his own mind. Newton just found it. Our mind is an infinite knowledge, infinite library of knowledge. All knowledge is in the human mind, but remain covered by ignorance. When the cover is slowly taken off by a process of inner travel with the help of meditation and to follow the appropriate method of life is called Karma Yoga. Then we will be lifted to achieve the goal, self-realization, the liberation of our soul. If we are calmly steady ourselves, we can easily understand what is karma or Karma Yoga. Karma is action, work, movement of physical body with mental effort to achieve some kind of enjoyment, which makes an imprint, a mark in our soul. All of our deeds, speech, thought, everything. This will lead to develop three kind of impurities in a man: Anava, Kanma and Maya. That is ego, sin imprints and illusion. The total result is that what we are, the character of a man. This is the law of nature. We are responsible for what we are. What we are now has been the result of our past actions. The future can be produced by our own present action. So we have to know how to act. The cause must have its effect. If I do an action, if it is an evil action, I must suffer for it. If it is a good action, there is no power in the universe which can stop it from yielding its good results. With regard to Karma Yoga, our Bhagavad Gita says, Karmanye vadhikaraste ma bhaleshu kadachana ma karma balahedurbu mage sangestu karmani. If a man works without any selfish motive in view, does not he gain anything is called nishkamya karma. There can be work without motive, but various motives, fame, money, power, etc., etc. But who do not want power, fame, money, but for the benefit of the entire mankind, there should be no expectation of commercial gratuity for his work. The simple fact is that everybody is already a debtor to the society, and he repays his dues by the way of his service. Then he attracts entire power of the universe, the cosmic energy, towards him. He is easily getting assimilation with the universal magnetism and with the Almighty. This is Gita says, Ma karma bala hedurbu, mange sangestu karmani. It is the most difficult thing in the world to work without any motive. This is the part of the doctrine of Karma Yoga. Each duty has its own place according to circumstances. Our duty is to perform our duties. Do you ask anything from your children in return for what you have given to them? It is our duty to do for them. Assume the same attitude towards the world without any expectation of return. This will only bring our own mind to the bliss of non-attachment. Attachment comes only where expectation of return is there. This is what Gita says, Nishkamya Karma. The highest stage of Karma Yoga is Nishkamya Karma. When we acquired the feeling of non-attachment, then neither good nor evil for us. It is very hard to think to understand. There is no more slavery for him. Such a man alone is fit to live well in the world. This is the knowledge of secret of work. And this is the science of action. Whenever we say a thing is mine, misery will immediately come. If I say my body, actually the body is not mine. This is the product of the society. This is the contribution of the society. Sir Isaac Newton says, every action there is an equivalent and opposite reaction. If you want to get a reward from the society, you must also ready yourself to receive a punishment. Only the way to get out of the punishment is give up the reward. Let me tell you a few words in conclusion that who actually carried the principle of Karma Yoga in practice, he will reach the goal of liberation of soul. Self-realization, or we call it Mukti. Okay? Vazhka Valamudan. Vazhka Valamudan. Vazhka Valamudan.